Hi everyone, I'm here to show you a method for learning languages. It's the method that I'm using to study French and it's working very well. This is the first video. In the second video, I will demonstrate it myself. First, who am I? I'm Amadeus, and although I'm not an expert, I know something about language learning. I can speak English, Brazilian Sign Language, French, and Portuguese, which is my native language. I'll skip all the blah 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 because I want to be practical here. To be clear, no shortcuts, okay? Let's do something personalized for you, something that makes sense. No language learning apps or vocabulary lists. First of all, you need to know what comprehensible input is. If you don't know this concept, search for it. Now that we are on the same page, I'll tell you how it works. Basically, you immerse yourself in the language you're currently learning, surround yourself with it, and consume it genuinely. Read articles, books, listen to podcasts, watch videos and movies. Do whatever you enjoy the most to practice your target language. You can even change your phone and computer's language. Do what you would normally do, but in your target language. You will absorb vocabulary throughout the day, then use Anki to solidify it. I say Anki, it's a software you can study and look for it, how to use it, but it could be a notebook. Use what works for you. Add context to all the new words you've learned by making sentences with them. And in this process of writing sentences, try your best to create correct sentences. Search on Google why it's written like that and if it's natural, or ask ChatGPT if your sentence is correct. By being curious, this is where you will learn a lot. By being curious and trying to understand why things work the way they do in your target language. Be curious, try your best, but don't take it too seriously to the point that you're afraid of making mistakes. You don't need to be perfect. Mistakes are acceptable. I make them all the time, and that's fine. Now you might be thinking, I don't know anything. How will I find comprehensible input and how I will make sentences? Keep it simple. In the beginning, you can try with very simple sentences. Try searching comprehensible input plus your target language on YouTube. It works. This way, you can find simple and easy content, or you could record yourself speaking about how your day was in your native language, then trying to translate it. By doing this, you will learn real useful words because it was you using them. You're not learning random words from a list. Do it over and over and you will notice your development. If you are surrounded by your target language content, consuming it every day and making your sentences to avoid forgetting what you've learned, there's no way you won't improve. If you manage to do it consistently, I can guarantee you will see progress. It's normal to be frustrated. It happened to me when I was studying sign language and French. Having a good reason to study can help with motivation. This wasn't the case for me with French. I started it with no reason at all, and it was a struggle because of that. However, after 1 month, I began to understand a little, and this made me feel motivated to keep going. In short, that's it. The method is simple, but some discipline is needed to apply it. Remember, I'm just giving you the basics. You can make some changes here and there to create something that works for you. The key is to be consistent. When you reach a conversational level, things start to become fun. You can search for language partners to practice with. There are many websites and apps for this. In my personal experience, I started speaking French by paying a tutor on Preply.com and talking to him. Then I moved to Discord, which I strongly recommend you use. On Discord, you can meet language partners and make friends to speak with in your target language for free. So guys, basically that's it. If you want to see me applying the method, don't forget to watch the second video. I will link some language learning materials in the pinned comment. Of course, it's not for every language, but I will update the list if I find new resources. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies.